Alrighty, back again. A lot closer this time. This is the car shed right here. I know we would call it a garage nowadays. There's a car shed. So at the ranch compound, the first building is this that we come upon is the car shed. John Slaughter did not use powered machinery on his ranch, but he enjoyed automobiles. He owned at least 6 of them between 1912 and 1921. The fully restored 1915 Model T Ford in the car shed is identical to the one he owned. Let's take a closer look. I see it's jacked up so the wheels are not on the ground. Hope you can see because I can't see squat. It's so bright here. All right. So, you can see it seats probably 3 in the back and 2 or 3 in the front, probably 2 in the front. You can see better on the side. Yeah. So how to start the car? The rod right there is how you start the car. You crank it, and I had to say, it's hard. It actually comes out. You take it out once the car is started and put it in the car. But to start it, you put it in. It can be a little tricky to put it in. And then you push down on it, so you're turning it clockwise. And you keep cranking until it catches. I did this once on a Sears car. And I put the video is on the channel. You can watch it. Actually, you can't watch me doing it. I think you can see someone else doing it. Yeah, so once it started, you were good to go. Has headlights. These skinny little tires. Let's see. Great fenders. You want to make sure you keep all that mud off of you because we're not talking paved roads in 1915. Crap, I tell you, to get here, we're not talking paved roads then either. All right, let's move on to the next. I'm using their self-guided tour guide, by the way. All right.